Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the Chum Salmon in Heartopia. This fish has a unique shape and unique patterns on its body like this, and I think it's perfect if you want to decorate your aquarium, or if you want to collect or if you are a collector and if you want to have this fish. And to catch it, you need to go to the Tranquil river, and this fish can appear all day, but it only spawns and at the rainbow weather. So just go to the Tranquil river at the rainbow weather. The locations and the map at the map, it's on here. This one, just go to this area when the rainbow weather appears. And if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use a Fish Attractor or maybe Mermaid Perfume, because it will help increase rare fish spawn rate, so they are very useful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!